All right, so to understand the simple solution, we must first understand what the problem actually is, and I'll cut straight to the chase. Jeep Wranglers are the only vehicle without a body side piece of rubber that goes around the entire perimeter of the body. So this way, when the rubber that goes around the perimeter of the door, this is your door side weather stripping, if there was a piece of rubber here, it would slam against it. Those two pieces of rubber would compress and it'll keep your vehicle dry just like every other vehicle on the road today. Now, this doesn't happen in every single Wrangler. I would say 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10 of these Wranglers face this issue. So if you are dealing with this issue, that is why. You can go ahead and take a look at your Wrangler because this defect is found in every single Jeep Wrangler that was ever produced. Let's start with the JKs, models 2007, and then all the way into JL and Gladiator. There is not a piece of rubber that goes around the body side. And to be honest with you, I don't know why this light bulb has not gone off in Jeep's head. I mean, we're talking generations of these Jeeps have been facing this issue, and people have also complained about it plenty. But for whatever reason or reasons, they have not put the body side seal on there. Now, interestingly enough, Jeep does know what a body side seal is because they put it on the rest of their lineup. Their Wagoneer, their Cherokee, their little Renegade, they all have body side seals. They all have a continuous piece of rubber that goes around the body. Now, let's talk about the fix. Well, Jeep has never produced a body side seal and installed it on the production line. So as these things are being built, that was never put on, nor have they ever made it a post-production part. So this way you can either go to the dealer or go online, order it, install it yourself. That has never been a thing. And again, I don't understand why, but here we are. All right. So to solve this issue, I tried for many years to figure out what would be the best body side seal to put on this vehicle. And after lots of testing and playing with a lot of different materials, we finally just decided to create our own out of this maybe 30 or so gaskets that we tested on the body side seal. And that is what is now referred to as the Jeep Leak Fix Kit. It has helped hundreds of people actually around the world. We weren't expecting that, right? For it to be a global phenomenon as it has been. But it is literally the body side seal that goes around Jeep Wranglers, Gladiators, and also JLs. The body side seal that we have was made specifically for Jeep Wranglers. It fits specifically in the areas where it needs to go. So this way, when the door comes into contact with that piece of rubber, it seals